Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Panoorin ang ilang sa mga naging highlights sa masayang beach wedding ng aktres na si Angelica Panganiban kay Greg Homan, na naganap itong Sabado ng hapon April 20 sa isla ng Siargao.
Go, Ben!
Should I go behind? Angelica, as much as Angelica will take care of you. I'm so happy to know that you have found your home and your family. Congratulations and best wishes. And we will always be here. For you, you deserve this. And to Greg, please take care of Angelica as much as Angelica will take care of you. I'm so happy for both of you. You have found your own and you have found your home. Congratulations and best wishes. And we will always be here.
Angelica, Bati Pangaliban, keep her, Alan Woman, as your favorite person to laugh with him. Go on adventures with him. Support him through life's tough moments. Be proud of him, grow old with him, and find new reasons to love him every day.
To our international AFAM friends and family, I have to apologize. I need to do my vows in Filipino because this way is going to be more fashion.
Unconditional love, respect, faith, and devotion. I accept you wholeheartedly, your imperfections and all that makes you unique and handsome. I submit to you as your devoted wife and mother to Amira, a sister to your siblings, and a daughter to your parents.
May your marriage be all exquisite excitements of marriage. May you need one another, but not out of weakness. May you want one another, but not out of lack. May you look for things to praise, often say, I love you, and take no notice of small faults. May you have happiness, and may you find it making one another and being happy. May you have the love and continue loving each other forever. You may now kiss the bride. We have the love and continue loving each other forever. You may now kiss the bride.
Walang Malaysia! Laban! Walang Malaysia!
somewhere, any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove.
Hatakin mo ba? Hatakin mo ba? Hahatakin nyo. Hahatakin nila. Tapos... Okay.
Are you ready? 2, 1, go!